and welcome students. Today we're going to do the first capstone project of Microsoft Word. The title of this project is Long Lake Conservation Area. You can see the title. It is the Word module 1 to 4 SAM Capstone Project A. Before starting, make sure that you have downloaded these two support files. And let me remind you, if you want me to do this project for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Statistics, Business Analytics or Finance related projects, do text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. You just need to share the files over the WhatsApp. I will do the assignment for you and I will send it back to you, then you can submit it. So feel free to text me around the clock. Let's get started. As an assistant director of the guest experience for the Long Lake Conservation Area, you are updating the visitor guide and made available for download from the organization website for the people interested in the visiting area. Okay. First, change the theme of the document to the slice to coordinate with the organization style. Okay. Whenever you are asked to change the theme of the Word document, you need to go to the Design tab, and here you can see the theme section is there. We are to change this to a slice. This one, the first one. So the theme of the workbook has been changed successfully, and we are done with the step number 1. Moving to step number 2, on page 1, rotate the picture to the right by 90 degrees so that it has a correct orientation. This is the picture, and we have to rotate to right. As you select the picture format tab appears right there, and here you have to click this rotate objects, rotate right 90. Now you can see our picture looks much better. So we are done with step number 2. If you're finding it difficult, I would like you to have a Zoom meeting with me on one-to-one, where you will be able to do the assignment and I will supervise you, keeping in view all the steps are completed successfully. In this way, doing through Zoom, not only you will get 100% score, but also you will be able to know how to format a document correctly. Okay, let's get started with step number 3. On page 2, at the beginning of the first body paragraph, page 2, and this is the first body paragraph. Thanks for choosing to visit. Yeah, this is the one. Select the T and insert a drop cap to mark the beginning of the body text. Okay, we have to select this T, and now when you select this T, you have to go to the Design tab, I guess. Sorry, Insert tab, and here from the Insert you will find this Add a Drop, this one, dropped. So that's the starting of this indicates the starting of the paragraph. So we are done with the step number 3. Provide more detailed information as follows. Find and replace considering padding this is a sentence complete. After the period, insert a footnote with the following. Okay, so first of all we have to search padding. Yeah, this is the one, padding, and after the period, rightly so, after the period at the end of the sentence, insert a footnote. So I'm just copying it, and here after the period we will insert a footnote. To insert a footnote, you need to go to the review tab, reference tab, and here you will find a footnote. You can see insert a footnote. As it will direct you to the end of that page, to the bottom of that page, now you will paste the text that you copied. So it's a footnote that's been inserted successfully. Moving to step number 5, that is Format the table in the emergency numbers section as follows to improve its appearance. Emergency numbers. This is the section where we are to improve it. Apply the grid table 4x and 1 table style. Okay, to change the table style, you do not need to select any one cell. You have to select this plus icon. The complete table will be selected. It says format the table in emergency section as follows. Apply grid table 4 accent 1. Go to table design, grid table 4 accent 1. Yeah, this is the one. Remove the formatting on the header row. This is the header row. As you select, go to the table design, and here you can remove the header row. Okay, if you even don't select, it still will be there in the, you can still remove it. Okay, so the formatting from the header row has been removed. In the second column, merge the first 3 cells 9, 11. The first 3 cells are these ones. These should be merged. The second column, this is the second column. Merge the first three cells. So select those cells and right click here, and here you can click merge cells. Apply the align right center alignment to the merge cell. Align right center right. Now you will go to the table layout, align center right. That's it. Merge the other 2 columns in the last row of the table. So here are the other 2 columns. We have to merge those columns as well. You can select from here, merge cells. Now auto fit the table to its content. Since you need to select the table, and here in the table layout section you will find a cell size group, and here you will click auto fit content. Now it has been auto fitted with the as per the content size. Moving to step number 6, that is to emphasize 9, 11, apply the fill black text color 1 shadow text effect. Okay, we are just selecting this 9, 11. As you select this 9, 11, you need to click table design, and here in the table shading it says text effect black fill black text 1 shadow. Well, it's the text regarding fill black text color 1 shadow. That's the effect that we needed. Now says change the font size to 48. It is a font size of 911, so we are to change it to 48. Let's have a look of the final document, because 911, yeah, we are good. We are absolutely good to go up till now. Okay, moving to step number 7, that is insert a continuous section break in each of the following section in the document to prepare for inserting column. At the beginning of the heading emergency call, we need to insert continuous section break. Emergency calls. At the beginning of the heading emergency calls, we need to, emergency calls is this one. We need to insert continuous section break. Yeah, this one. Insert, sorry, design section break is there. Yeah. Break. Yeah, continuous section break. First one. And at the beginning of the heading First Aid and Emergencies. Okay, so we are done with the step number 7 as well. I think that's it for this video up till now. I will upload the second part soon, so do subscribe to my channel. And if you want that I should do this assignment for you, just feel free to text me on the WhatsApp. You can share your files over the Gmail as well, and I will do the assignment for you. You will get a 100% score, and also it's very economical service in terms of price. So do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.